Before you spend your money on stuycove.com, there's one important question you need to ask. Is this website actually trustworthy, or could you be taking an unnecessary risk? In this stuycove.com review 2026, I've looked closely at the website, its overall presentation, the products and offers it promotes, the information provided to customers, and several factors that can help determine whether an online store deserves your trust. At first glance, Stuycove may look like a normal online shopping website, and there are some aspects that may appear appealing, including its product selection, pricing, and overall website design. However, looking beyond the surface raises some questions that potential customers should consider before placing an order. One of the biggest things to pay attention to is how transparent the website is about important details, such as company information, customer support, shipping, returns, refunds, and the actual experience buyers can expect after making a purchase. I also considered whether there are convincing signs of an established and reliable business rather than simply judging the site by how professional it looks. At the same time, I don't think it would be fair to automatically label Stuycove as a scam simply because some warning signs or uncertainties exist. Online stores can have limited information without necessarily being fraudulent, but that doesn't mean shoppers should ignore potential risks either. So, based on the information I found, my view of Stuycove is mixed. There are things that may attract shoppers, but there are also enough questions that I would recommend doing additional research before spending a significant amount of money. If you're considering buying from stuycove.com, pay close attention to the payment method you use, the refund policy, delivery terms, and independent customer experiences. Ultimately, I wouldn't call Stuycove an obvious scam based on my research, but I also wouldn't say there are enough strong trust signals to confidently recommend it without caution. Make sure you understand the risks before you buy.